Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you a new feature from LinkedIn. They've recently launched the ability to record an audio clip of how to pronounce your name. Now, for people like me with a rather difficult to pronounce name, well, at least for other people, this is really useful. So if you're in that situation, I highly recommend you check this out and make a recording of how to pronounce your name. So important thing to know, you have to do this on the LinkedIn app. So whether you're on Android or iOS, you can't record it on the desktop. So go to view your profile, click on the little edit button next to your photo, and it'll bring up the options. Now, I've already recorded mine, so that's why you've got the little microphone symbol here. If I click on this pencil and I can go into the options I can edit here, you can see audio recording is already available. If I hit the edit icon here, I could record a new pronunciation or delete it. Now, I'm obviously not going to delete this because I think it is rather useful. So have a go at it. Super useful, like I said, if you're someone who other people find their name difficult to pronounce. Equally, you might have connections within your network where you're not 100% sure how to pronounce their name, and you want to avoid that kind of awkward situation of having to ask them again or get it wrong. So go to their profile page and have a little look to see if they've got that microphone icon next to their name, which would indicate they have spotted this feature from LinkedIn and made use of it. Or better still, you might even want to share this video with them and give them a helping hand. So hope that was useful. Best of luck.